What is up, my YouTube friends? Hey, I'm going to do a quick review on these Jorgensen E-Z hold clamps. It's a quick clamp, right? So, here's a couple things I like about these clamps. Well, let me tell you first, quick clamps. I have a couple different styles. I have these I've been using. They're both dual action clamps, okay? So they clamp and they spread things. And believe it or not, the spreading part comes in handy sometimes. This is a Bessie clamp. It's called a duo clamp. It has this little knob here that you turn and you can either spread things apart or clamp things. 12-inch clamp, 12 inches of clamping. I don't know what the footprint pounds are for this clamp. Probably 200-300 pounds, I would think. It's a pretty decent sized bar, thickness wise. It's a little wider than these Jorgensen clamps, but I would say 200-300 pounds of clamping force. But what I don't like about this clamp is sometimes this little knob disengages and it does it at the wrong time sometimes. You're trying to clamp something up, you're trying to hold something, whatever it is, and you're going to clamp and it disengages, and like it bugs me, you know. It's really a pain. That's the one flaw about these clamps that I don't like. And I think they're about 20 bucks a piece. They're hard to find now, but these are probably 10 years old. They're good clamps. And that's the only thing that I don't like about them. Until I found these pony clamps. Well, I say pony, but Jorgensen clamps. Same thing, right? These are 12-inch clamps. They have 13 inches of clamping distance here. The throat is pretty much the same on both of them. 3 3/8. The Bessie clamp is about the same. 300 pounds of clamping pressure. What I like about these is, so to spread things, you just push the head in and take the end off and put it at the other end, and now you can spread things apart, okay? And to clamp, obviously you pull the head back. What I like about these is you can put them together, okay? There's this little like dovetail here at the end where you put the two ends together. They slide in, they lock in, okay? They slide into this keyed slot, pretty easy to put in, okay? And put the head in, put the bar in, push the button. Now you have two of them together, and you have 30 3/4 of an inch, 30 3/4 inches of clamping distance. That's pretty sweet, man. For $19.97 I paid for these at Lowe's each. Okay, for 40 bucks, basically, you have 4 different clamps, or yeah, 2 different clamps. Okay, you either have a 12, a 24, well, actually 31, well, 30, say 30, and then you have the ability to spread things apart. So yeah, 4 different clamps to me. Well, the other way they're not clamps, but you get what I mean. There's a lot of versatility to these clamps. They're easy to use, like I said. They come in a variety of lengths, I think like 6, 12, 24, and they had some long ones, and I don't remember what the long ones were. The 600-pound ones, 600 pounds of clamping force, They were a little beefier. The head was bigger. The bar was bigger, obviously. The distance between the throat, it was a little bit longer, a little bit deeper. Not much. It's not like a big selling point difference, you know. It was only like a quarter of an inch difference. But these are hard to get together and apart, which is good. And they were only like 25 bucks, 24, 98, something like that, at Lowe's. You can probably find them on Amazon, maybe a little cheaper. I doubt that much cheaper, but they are a pretty good choice if you're looking not to spend a lot of money. And 2 clamps will give you double the distance of whatever it is. 12-inch clamp is going to give you over 24 inches of clamping distance. Pretty good deal. So for 40 bucks, you know, you can get a decent range of clamping ability, even if you spend 25 bucks. And the longer clamps, I don't know how much they were. I didn't really price them. But I don't expect them to be a whole lot more money, but still you're getting 2 for 1, basically. I hope this little review helps. And hey, if you buy them, let me know. If you try them out, let me know. And let me know how you like them. Be well, be blessed, be safe on your job site and in your shop. Until the next time. See ya.